Hey, Glenn with one N here, and in this video I'm going to tell you about a tool that's helped me change the way that I record voiceovers while I'm away from the studio. And this new tool eliminates a bunch of luggage that I used to need to carry with me in case of any clients needing emergency recordings. No more recording under hotel bed sheets. I don't need to make wardrobe forts lined with pillows, and no more sweating my body weight recording in cars. Of course, I'm talking about Adobe Enhanced Speech, their online AI-powered tool that is, right now, it's available for free on Adobe Podcast Beta. You literally just drag in a WAV or an MP3, and after a minute or two, it spits out a cleaned voice recording. Now, from the testing that I've done, having a relatively quiet environment and a decent mic absolutely still make a difference. For example, if it hears background noise like a car going by, it can do some strange things. It might get fooled into thinking that that's also your voice and create these weird utterances in your voice. But for removing steady background noise, it does an exceptional job. It also removes mic handling noise, so right now I'm not treating my microphone very well. Have a listen back and see how that works. Right now I'm not treating my microphone very well. So I don't need to pack a shock mount or a stand. I can just hold it like this. I used to record in cars because they actually sound pretty good for voiceover, especially if the interior is nice and kind of velour, like soft. And I would stick this suction cup mic stand to the window, but it just got too hot recording in the car in the summer, especially when I couldn't run the AC. I also used to have to pack this bulky foam microphone cover, which is a clone of the atrociously overpriced Chaotica Eyeball, and it did an okay job of reducing reverb if I spoke kind of close and didn't raise my voice too much. But just as important as noise reduction, Adobe Enhanced Speech also removes any natural reverb, so I can record in comfortable, convenient locations like this. Now, the quality of Adobe Enhanced Speech will not be as good as your professional voiceover booth. Here's a comparison.
I haven't showered in 4 days. I haven't showered in 4 days.
As you can hear, it sounds kind of crunchy and lo-fi compared to the professionally recorded audio, but it allows me to deliver urgent recordings as well as quick projects like, phone prompts and internet MP3 ads, that kind of thing. I've even used it to record auditions on my phone microphone in a taxi that ended up getting me the job. And the rest of my travel setup includes my laptop, a USB-powered audio interface, the tiny but beautiful sounding Neumann TLM103, and just a short mic cable. I don't need to run any effects or VST plugins on the track. I just tried to feed it clean audio with a good mic, and Adobe Enhanced Speech kind of does all the heavy lifting. Now, I assume that this tool will eventually be integrated into Adobe Audition, or maybe Premiere as well for video editing, just like Firefly, which is the generative AI imaging, has been integrated into Photoshop. Or, Adobe Podcast will become part of the Creative Cloud subscription. And if you couldn't tell already, my voice for this video was cleaned up with Adobe Speech Enhance while I'm here in Japan for Fuji Rock Festival. So what do you think of this tool? Do you have any recommendations for other tools that you use when recording while out and about, such as there's the AI voice enhancement plugins like Waves Clarity or Isotope RX10? Or maybe you don't even use a laptop when you're away from the studio to record. Maybe you just use your iPad or your phone even. Let us know how you do it and any advice you have in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.